Republican Party of India Thawale RPIA National Secretary Maheshwar has strongly criticized the intervention of Kzvv-Ez volunteers Kzvv in the effort of Meitei community to participate at the upcoming Shirui festival. He was speaking on the sidelines of felicitating new office bearers of Manipur State Youth Committee MSYC of Republican Party of India Thawale RPIA at Meitei Hall located at Palace Compound, Imphal today. Speaking further, the RPI National Secretary termed the interference of Kzvv as an effort to break the fraternal bond between Meitei, Naga and Meitei Pangal communities in the state. While noting that a collective effort of the indigenous communities is vital in fighting against the evil designs to disintegrate the communities, he further emphasized the need for direct involvement of youth in politics and bringing changes to the society. The function was also attended by RPIA Manipur State Unit Working President Laitonjam Haridas, Vice Presidents Haubijam Gitajen and Sapamcha Kanglepal, among others. During the function, Maheshwar felicitated the new office bearers of MSYC.
Masaki mayumda changbam ngamdabida koi chen chelaga ri kemta leiri sibo freedom movement leitri sibo imale ba imana nuairam gadra ne dai ne me gi tang kundagi hogadaba mamangdagi chanalaba Shirui village ukhulna sinduna laklaba aikoi gi Shirui festival aigi tinau tangkhul myam leibim pham naga myam leibim pham da chachage ko akoi gi yellow mi gi oiba festival ni ko na khanjar leibodo ngarang nahan Manipur thugai pa pamba sing na ngasi khabar front page yaure nang changba yaroi akoi phawra changba yaroi kaina haijale that means akoi semdo ka daba myam le nungsi chanan leiba yellow mi myam san nungsi chanan leimina bada akoi chobat thodang lomina ba Manipur se tangduk laitana leirakanda Manipur thugaibam pamiba singsegi koi ngakpe harakanda changba peace leiba shanti leiba kundari ba myam se pulap nungsi chanana akoi yellow mi myam se pulap kundamina ba Manipur mo ohen ba se akoi first priority oina gadabne politics se koi nahan mapandagi sum lauraga semdok se haibadu natabada system de soide haibadu natabada system manung se changaganda semdok ina se haiba wakalon sida first priority thamina si